Hey everyone. Well, we were down to the last details of getting the house ready for the market, and it involved hanging some light fixtures. I managed to get the 2 wall sconces in the bathroom hung by myself, but hanging the chandelier in the stairwell was another story. Take a look. I have these beautiful Art Deco wall sconces that match. I have 3 of them. I used 2 all these years, and I have 1 chandelier that's like this but bigger and circular, of course. So if I want to keep them, I have to take them off, buy something else, put that on the wall to sell the house, because you can't have someone looking at your house and say they're going to buy it, and then you say, oh, but I'm not really selling the lamps. That comes out. I just wanted to see how this came off, because if I go buy a light, I want to make sure it covers this hole. And I didn't know what the hole looked like. Okay, so I can see that there's just a typical wall box there. So I think any round light would fit over that. So I'm just going to put this back for now, get the lights, and then I'll cut the power and change the lights. I think I can do it myself. I did it! All you're doing is just moving it around, and now it's all got to settle somewhere else.
We need to back over there. You want to go back or the corner? Yeah. It can fall down. Folding.
I want to see how to take the light down. Okay.
Oh, we need a screwdriver.
We do?
To remove the cover.
Probably.
Uh-huh. You need to go more higher.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, right there. That's good.
It's not doing anything. This is loose, but this is not loose. So that's not going to do anything.
What you need to do, you need to disconnect the chain. It's bracket over there. It's a screw.
Yeah, it's a big thing. What I'm going to do is,
let me see what kind the tool we need.
Okay, just hang on a second. I just want to see how I disconnect this wire. Hang on.
Yeah, I'm target for disconnecting the chain only.
Hold on.
That one. No.
I gotta get the wire out before we can do anything. Oh, I know.
Disconnected it, yeah.
Yeah.
One black, one white.
Yeah, and a ground. can't believe I have to take this whole thing apart. Okay.
See, you need to disconnect the wire.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Amateur electrician here.
Okay. Excellent. Yeah, take the wire out.
This gotta come out. Oh, I see. It's in a knot. Why do they have to put it in a knot?
Yeah, to support. To support.
Yeah, but I get it. But it makes it harder to get undone. Ridiculous. This is why electricians get paid so much money.
Money? Yeah.
I don't know if I can get this knot out. You may have to do it.
I charge 150.
I'm gonna let you undo that.
No,
your hands are stronger than mine.
Okay, ready?
Wow. Okay, so what happened next is I sent Eric out to do blowing and cleaning up in the garden while I put the chandelier together, which I did. And I was determined to hang it myself. I thought if anybody's going to get electrocuted, it's going to be me, because he was uncomfortable with the electric anyway. So I almost got it hung by myself, and he was holding the ladder. It was impossible to film this. I'm so sorry. But I went and spent about 15 minutes begging the people at Home Depot to come up and rescue us, because I didn't think we were going to be able to close the deal and get it hung. And it had to be hung that day because we had the open house the next day, and I could not have wires dangling from the stairwell. So, but while I was on the phone with Home Depot begging, and they were saying, no, we don't send anybody out to help with electrical unless you buy an expensive heater. And somehow he managed to just finish the thing we couldn't get done. I just couldn't hold my hand over my head long enough to finish securing everything. So he managed to get it done, and here's how it looked. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. I look forward to seeing you in the next installment of Follow My Journey. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.